Quantum mechanics is like peering into a world where the rules of reality twist and turn. Imagine particles that can exist in multiple places at once, like a magician's trick. This phenomenon is called superposition. Then there's entanglement, where two particles become linked, instantly affecting each other no matter the distance. It's as if they're sharing a secret across the universe. And let's not forget about the uncertainty principle, which tells us that we can never know both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute certainty. It's a reminder that at the tiniest scales, nature is inherently unpredictable. These concepts challenge our intuition, but they also reveal the underlying beauty of the universe. Quantum mechanics isn't just for physicists, it's a glimpse into the fundamental workings of everything around us, from the tiniest atoms to the vast cosmos. Embracing this complexity opens up a new way of understanding our reality.